Did you know that over 70% of people experience digestive discomfort regularly? This discomfort can range from mild bloating and gas to severe pain and cramping, affecting daily life and overall well-being. This staggering statistic highlights a common health concern that many of us face. Digestive issues can stem from various factors such as poor diet, stress, and lack of physical activity. It's a problem that doesn't discriminate, affecting people of all ages and backgrounds. But what if a simple, natural remedy could help alleviate this and other health issues? Imagine being able to soothe your digestive system with ingredients you already have at home, without the need for expensive medications or treatments. The answer might lie in a powerful trio found right in your pantry: olive oil, lemon, and honey. These ingredients are not only versatile in cooking, but also packed with health benefits that have been celebrated for centuries. These three ingredients, often celebrated individually for their health benefits, create a synergistic blend that can transform your well-being. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C and has natural detoxifying properties. Honey, known for its antibacterial and soothing qualities, can aid in digestion and boost the immune system. When combined, they create a powerful elixir that can help with a variety of health issues, from digestive discomfort to boosting overall immunity. So next time you feel that familiar discomfort, remember that nature's remedy might be closer than you think. Imagine a golden elixir that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nourishes your body from within. This magical combination of olive oil, lemon, and honey is more than just a delightful treat. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your daily routine. That's precisely what this simple blend of olive oil, lemon, and honey offers. Each ingredient brings its unique properties to the table, creating a synergy that enhances their individual benefits. Olive oil, with its heart-healthy fats and antioxidants, forms the base. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it helps reduce bad cholesterol levels and lowers the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in olive oil combat inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Lemon, a powerhouse of vitamin C, adds a refreshing tang and boosts immunity. Its high vitamin C content helps in the production of white blood cells, which are vital for fighting infections. Additionally, lemon aids in digestion and helps detoxify the body. Honey, nature's sweetener, brings its antibacterial and soothing properties to the mix. It not only sweetens the blend, but also provides a natural source of energy. Honey's antibacterial properties help in healing wounds and soothing sore throats, making it a versatile ingredient in this concoction. When combined, these three ingredients create a potent elixir that can be consumed daily. Whether you take it as a morning tonic or add it to your favorite recipes, this blend is sure to enhance your overall well-being. So, why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Many of us struggle with low energy levels, especially in today's fast-paced world. This elixir can provide a natural energy boost thanks to the healthy fats in olive oil and the natural sugars in honey. Furthermore, the combination can aid digestion. Olive oil acts as a lubricant, while lemon stimulates digestive juices, and honey soothes the digestive tract. Olive oil, often dubbed liquid gold, has been revered for centuries for its health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it promotes heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. It's also packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to overall well-being. Section 5. Lemon, a citrus burst of vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemons, with their vibrant yellow hue, bring a burst of freshness and a wealth of health benefits. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and protects against infections. Lemons also contain flavonoids, antioxidants that combat inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Section 6. Honey, nature's sweetener with antibacterial properties. Honey, nature's golden sweetener, has been used for its medicinal properties since ancient times. It possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective in soothing sore throats and coughs. Honey is also a prebiotic, meaning it promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, further aiding digestion. Section 7. The impact of the elixir. Real stories, real results. One remarkable story highlights the impact of this elixir on digestive health. Sarah, a 45-year-old woman, had been struggling with digestive issues for years. After incorporating a daily dose of the olive oil, lemon, and honey mixture into her routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her digestion and a reduction in bloating. Section 8. Recapping the goodness, a holistic approach to wellness. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. However, taking a holistic approach to wellness can significantly improve your overall well-being. This simple elixir with its blend of olive oil is a powerful tool in your wellness arsenal. Olive oil, known for its rich content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries. It not only enhances the flavor of your meals, but also provides numerous health benefits. Lemon and honey, each ingredient brings its unique properties to the table. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. They also aid in digestion and help detoxify the body. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural sweetener with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes the throat, boosts energy levels, and supports overall health. Offers a holistic approach to wellness. From boosting energy levels and aiding digestion to strengthening immunity and fighting inflammation, the benefits are numerous. Engaging in regular physical activities like jogging, hiking, and enjoying nutritious meals with loved ones further enhances your journey towards wellness. By incorporating this natural remedy into your daily routine, you can experience a noticeable improvement in your health. Whether you add it to your morning smoothie, drink it as a detox beverage, or use it in preparing natural remedies, the versatility of this elixir makes it easy to include in your lifestyle. You can take a proactive step towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Embracing a holistic approach to wellness means nurturing your body, mind, and spirit. Start your day with a smile, practice yoga at sunrise to center yourself, and enjoy a nutritious breakfast to fuel your body. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Section 9. Join the wellness journey. Share your story. Have you experienced the transformative power of olive oil, lemon, and honey in your daily life? We encourage you to share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights can inspire others to embark on their own wellness journeys today. Section 10. Explore further. Unlock a world of natural remedies. This elixir is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to natural remedies. Dive deeper into the world of natural wellness by exploring our website and discovering a wealth of information on healthy living, nutrition, and alternative therapies.